So since morning, we have focused a lot on resiliency of human resources of an organization, zero trust policies associated with them, the processes. But it's time to shift gears a little bit and focus on the application security and how to make our applications resilient. So I represent Versix Systems along with our partner authorized resellers, Vinca Cyber here. And today we are going to talk about how we can go and make our applications resilient. Software applications run the world today, and with the push to digitization, the number of applications is exploding. This digitization push, while few months back was just a market demand, but today it's the current situation that demands it, and it has become a mandate for all sort of organizations across the globe. And as an IT organizations, while we have already solved the problem of work from home more or less, the focus is now on the applications, which are increasingly becoming very complex, distributed, and interconnected. And as a result of that, the larger attackable surface comes along for the attackers to target. And we are seeing that as we see applications and servers being the target in majority of the incidents, as even reported by the Verizon's data breach investigation report. The threat actors are also evolving and now using more and more sophisticated and targeted techniques. In fact, MITRE Corporation considers memory-based attacks as number one threat to any organization. Unfortunately, the conventional security controls that we have today fail to protect against these attacks. These conventional methods have also diminished the effectiveness of our security operations, with a high amount of false positives, a lot of manual intervention required to analyze tons of events to find the needle in the haystack. And as a result, it takes days and even months for organizations to detect and respond to an attack. And in many cases, almost rather, I would say all of the cases, it's too late to control the damage that the attackers could have caused. And it still remains a utopian dream to have that 100% of our systems patched. In fact, it's incredibly becoming more and more difficult today. It's just too slow, too disruptive, and in many cases, it's just too expensive, right? And in case of a legacy application, the patching is in most of the cases non-existent. So the team at Versic, the team of software and security experts, uh, got along and for over the last few years have worked to address these same issues that are grappling the enterprises of today. Versic has been rapidly growing to become the leader in this space and successfully developing and now deploying a game-changing patented approach to stop even the most advanced threats from the inside during the runtime, making them applications resilient against the most sophisticated and even zero-day attacks. This effort has been validated by our esteemed set of customers, which are spread across the globe and verticals, the partners that we have worked along, like of Inca Cyber, and also through various awards that we have received, and analysts like Gartner and MITRE Corporation. So let's see why Versic is unique. What's so unique about the approach that we take? Conventional security looks for attacks either before it hits your application or after, right? Essentially, they are looking at, we are trying to either detect the attack before it hits the application or look at the behaviors that the attack or malware would show up on after the damage is done. In either case, the application runtime is treated as a black box and there is no visibility on what is happening at the runtime itself, which is important because that is when the user input gets converted into a code and corrupt your applications to carry out malicious attack. Versic's approach is to protect the application from the inside during the runtime, which allows us to get full visibility into the code execution and see exactly when the user inputs get converted into a code and how does that happen. And this is how we make the applications resilient. And this is very different from a conventional security that have largely been probabilistic in nature, meaning that they heavily rely on the past precedence of the attack techniques or the knowledge of the vulnerability itself. Essentially, a guesswork by means of signatures, profiling, heuristics, or even machine learning. It's still a guesswork based on a large set of data from past precedents. And that's where the approach falls short against any kind of zero-day attacks or advanced techniques like memory-based attacks. In addition, a tendency to generate A high amount of false positives in many cases leaves much to be desired from those technologies. Whereas Versic protects in real time, but very deterministically, which means that we do not rely on the prior knowledge of the attack techniques or the vulnerability itself, and protect the complete application stack at the web layer, at the memory layer, and at the host layer very deterministically from the inside itself. Right? And if you want to know right more about what do we actually do at those all those layers when it comes to protecting the complete application stack. At the web layer, we are talking about protection against attacks which are typically categorized under OWASP top 10, and actually even beyond that. At the memory layer, the new battlefield, which is where those advanced techniques, tactics attackers are following to bypass the conventional security mechanisms, we can go and protect against those kind of attacks at the memory level itself. And of course, at the host layer, the server level, the server host level, we go on and ensure that the integrity of the system, the applications that are running on those systems, and the associated libraries and files don't get compromised by any attack or any malware. Essentially, Versic now becomes the only platform which provides a unified application stack protection. And if you look at the coverage wise also, right, this allows you to cover across multiple industry standards. We talk about OWASP, right? 100% of the OWASP top attacks is something that we are going to cover. Not only that, in the OWASP benchmark testings also, the accuracy that Versic brings in has been highest. OWASP is focused on web application, but our focus is across the application stack, right? So to cover web, host, and memory layer, we also go on and cover 95% of the top 25 most dangerous software errors that have been highlighted by MITRE, including the most severe ones, as I mentioned earlier, buffer error attacks. And also, from an NIST's cybersecurity framework, Versic's coverage is highest in terms of detect, protect, and respond function. Now that we know a little bit more about what Versic does, let's very quickly try to understand how do we do it. As we spoke about, that Versic works in a very deterministic way. Right? What does that mean? How does that work? The concept, the fundamental that we follow is to enforce developers' intent. Right? Every time an application or a process loads into the system, we go and map various characteristics of those applications and then eventually go on and enforce those characteristics. These characteristics could be as simple as the files, the executables, the associated libraries and files that are associated with an application or a process at the host level. At the memory level, we go down to the level of details of the memory addresses, which are being used for the various transitions that are going to happen as the process runs on the server. And at the web application level, the interpreted code level, we go and see how the applications interact with various underlying interpreters, how an app server would go on and interact with a database server. How would that interact with the browser, with the operating system command line, or the host file system? All those things are characterized largely automatically in a matter of milliseconds by Versic. And once that mapping is done, once that mapping of characteristics happens, without actually having, at any point of time, without actually having to go and look into the source code, Versic can go on and detect and stop any deviation from the characteristics that we have mapped. What this allows our customers to get an out-of-the-box protection without any kind of learning, any kind of customization or tuning, any updates, any signature updates whatsoever. Essentially, a protection capability that is available to our customers from day one, making the application self-resilient. And how are these customers leveraging our platform? We have, as I said, we have customers spread across the globe, across the different verticals. For example, we have a leading chip and networking company who is leveraging Versic security platform to protect their enterprise web applications. These are public-facing applications which expose a lot of sensitive information also to authorized user. And this particular organization is using Versic to make sure that no unauthorized or malicious user would go on and can access those data by exploiting those applications. A government agency has been using Versic to modernize their security program, even as they continue to use their legacy platforms, which continue to remain vulnerable. A global energy firm found value in Versec to protect critical infrastructure and protect against the advanced targeted attacks that could be happening, as seen in many past cases in likes of Triton, etc. A pharmaceutical company in Europe actually uses Versec to virtually patch their vulnerable applications and address compliance requirements that they have. Essentially, Versec being used in that case as a compensatory controls to address the compliance and regulatory requirements that we have. And a service provider has been taking a very unique initiative to protect every server hosted in their data centers. At the end of the day, providing value to their both co-location and hosted customers. And what do these customers at the end of the day gain? Between the attackers and our critical assets, our crown jewels, we deploy so many controls in terms of technologies in our data centers. Right? Invariably, there is a lot of overlap when it comes to the cost associated with those technologies that you put in. And typically what we see is half of the cost that goes into those technologies, both CAPEX and OPEX, is essentially an overlap. Yet, because of their inefficiencies in the existing technologies, a large majority of the threats remain unattended in a typical SOC because there are just too many false positives, the number of alerts are just too many. Right? And at the end of the day, even after doing all that also, security coverage wise, you still are unsure about unknown threats. Whereas with introduction of Versec, you can look at drastically reducing the cost, which is there due to the overlap, as you look at reducing the OPEX cost immediately and even CAPEX cost eventually as you look at eliminating some of those technologies, which also helps you now bringing down the overall number of alerts that remain unattended in your SOC very, very drastically, almost eliminating them completely. And at the end of the day, also giving you much more comfort and confidence against the coverage when it comes to even unknown and zero-day attacks. These numbers are from the industry standards, but I would encourage all of you to visit our ROI calculator, and I'm sure you will get some similar outcomes, similar statistics in terms of the return of investment that our customers would get. So to summarize, Versec makes your application and infrastructure resilient by delivering a better approach to security. By increasing the security coverage, eliminating the blind spots and exposure to advanced attacks. Allows you to do that very quickly in real time, thereby reducing the time to stop the attacks as we act and stop the attack at the first stage itself, as opposed to the traditional approach where, as I mentioned earlier, it would even take days and in some cases months to detect an attack. Versec would go on and help you protect against this attack at the first stage itself in real time, without any prior knowledge of the vulnerabilities or the attacker's techniques itself. At the same time, help you bring down your OPEX cost by adding precision security in your security operations centers, and eventually also CAPEX too, as you look for consolidation in the security controls and technologies that you would have deployed. And all this in a very, very easy to deploy and manage way without depending on any sort of learning, tuning, signatures, giving you a very quick time to value as you would expect from a solution. Now, I'm sure this was a session where we just wanted to give you a brief introduction and the value that the solution bring in. There is much more to be discussed in terms of how exactly our solution can go on, protect your organization assets, what kind of use cases we can go and address, and of course, how our technology works in action. We can go on and give you a live demonstration. We can go much more in details of how exactly at various levels, layers, including the web, memory, and host Versec security platform would go on protect. We have our virtual booth where we are available throughout the day to have a quick chat or a detailed discussion. We are there along with a partner, Vinka Cyber, who have a very highly talented team. All of us there to answer your questions. You can also visit our demo center where you will see a lot of live demos, recorded demos, which can give you a good feel about how your site would go on protect your assets against a wide variety of attacks. And obviously, we are more than open to have a one-on-one discussion with all of you schedule a live and detail an hour presentation and engage with more you in front.